Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am at Ria's Sports Day. Say hi, Ria!
Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi, baby. Don't do that.
No? No, sir.
What am I saying?
What am I saying? She went to school?
We're going to go to the teacher. So smile here. Smile. Smile.
Can't bother.
Let's go.
A very hot door. But look at the cool breeze. So, which school? What's the best school? Rainbow Center? Oh, Kids Center.
And kindergarten.
So it is for the Rainbow and Kids Center kindergarten school that we attend. So we're shying there. You don't know so better in their yard as per usual. You see our mouth open up now? So this is sports day that's happening now. So hang up. Girl about if you don't like that, So Ria is going to race now. Ria gonna run. Let's do a coloring race. Garcia is prepping her for the race now. So let's see how she does.
You did well here, baby. Come here now. Look here.
We're going about our business. be going home. We left Julia Sports Day and we try to go bank and the ATM not work, like NCB ATMs not working. And then when we go in the bank, the man tell me I can't withdraw money because also something inside the banking system is down and I can't do no more, like legit. NCB need to fix them things, like I can't. Do not bank with NCB. Like me I tell my friend no, don't bank with NCB, the worst bank ever. Worst bank. And I'm not just saying that because I'm not get my money, but because them customer service shitty. So don't bank with them. I'm tired of NCB. Like walk up the way, down the way, none of them machine not work. So I go home. Not a fear no. Not a fear, but I got fear. Let us see how that's gonna work. Stress. I have no fear. I would go in a taxi and run out. So me not do that. Left me at my gate. Let's see. I don't know what got happen. But oh, let me show you the park that mommy and I was at the other day. This is our park. A little bit and everything, but little something in it. Yeah, so we're headed to the taxi stand. Don't where you go?
Yeah, don't open company.
So we're headed to the taxi stand now. We go. So this not something there now. Safe. This not safe. I'm supposed to drop over. But as I said, we are going home now. I'm not getting no to eat because I don't have no money. But let's see where I go after. I'm tired and hot. I'm a sweat. I would have on the side of the road. I'm not supposed to be on the side of the road, you know. She has sleep. This is what I always find alligator, you know. I'm finally reached home, guys, and I'm so tired. Like really tired. I'm gonna try to get something to eat now because I'm gonna eat breakfast this morning. I haven't eaten. And it's I think it's around 5 o'clock now. But that NCB thing threw me off because I needed money from the bank and no NCB ATM is working. Like none. Well, the NCB card itself isn't working because the ATMs are working but the card isn't. So I don't know what that is about, but I'm fed up with NCB. That isn't the first time this is happening. And I'm not sure if it's because of the amount of people using the machine and that is month end and everybody trying to get out their pay or whatever, but I'm not like that. Scotiabank do them thing and them up to par, so why them can't up to par too. What happened? Say hi.
Hi.
Oh yeah, what up to today?
Friday.
Yeah, what are you up to?
Class.
What you did I do over next door?
Over there, sir? So we have sleep over there last night. So the door lock.
Oh yeah, Rosanji did I do?
Last time they put on the toilet.
So you're having fun? You alright?
That window after you open.
You can open, but you're not supposed to open it.
I just open it.
Don't go in there, go open it. Come. I can't get yourself so much trouble. Come. I'll go open it. I'm tired.
Yeah, wear that shirt you got on.
Not on my go.
See where I put on it from.
So all the time I can wear that shirt, yeah?
No, all the blouse.
So anyways guys, I think I might end the vlog here. If not, I'll get back to you guys, but I doubt it, so I think I might end the vlog here.
That was like a pop down.
So I'll talk to you guys in the next vlog.
No.